So, hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. To my returning subscribers, I love you guys. If this is the first time of you seeing my very pretty face, hello, my name is Anita, and we do all things money, all things finance. How about securing the bag, the dough, and also self-development and good tips. So if this is the kind of content that you would love, kindly subscribe to my channel now. Click on the subscribe button down below and press on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime I upload. To those of you watching me who have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel. Today we will be talking about some of the best investments you can make, uh, best investments you can have for a lifetime till the rest of your life. So, if this is the kind of content that you will be interested in, kindly watch till the very end. Let's get right into the video. One of the best investments that you can make is in yourself. Learning a skill, acquiring knowledge or expertise about a particular field, that is the best investment you can make, because that education or that kind of investment is with you and it cannot be taken away from you. If you have knowledge, if you can have a skill, if you can do something, I mean, there's no way anyone can take it away from you. So do well to learn something new every day, do something, add value to yourself so that you can be valuable to wherever you are working, your working place or company. Be that person that adds value to people, making impact. So the second investment you can make is in your health. I mean, health is wealth. Health is wealth. And so, I mean, we are struggling, we are striving so hard each and every day to make money. And if you do not make sure that you have great health, you have very good health, you are going to use all the money you have suffered to make to take care of your health and pay hospital bills, buy medicine, and all that. So, do all to take care of your health. And when I say health, your mental health. I mean, there are a lot of people going through a lot in this world right now, a lot of depression and stress. And so, do well to relax, and we use our brains to work as well. So, do well to relax, relax your mind, do activities that are not related to your field of work. You can go for a walk, you can listen to music, watch a movie, you can read a book to relax. Whatever that you love doing that is outside of your work, you need to do it to balance your mental health so that you do not get too stressed out or depressed. And by way of our physical health too, the usual, we need to exercise, sleep, have enough rest, and eat very good food. Have a very balanced, very good diet. It also helps in maintaining our physical health. And so do all to take care, very, very good care of your health. It's one of the best investments you can make. Also have health insurance as well, so that if anything should come up, when people are aging, their immune systems are breaking down and all that. Some things are inevitable, but if you really take care of yourself very well in your youthful age, you can reduce or minimize such occurrences from happening. Investment number three, invest in family. I mean, family is everything. We have to make sure, especially your nuclear family, your spouse, and your children, make it a point to spend quality time with your family. It is very imperative, it is very important that we make time. Even if we have a very busy schedule, we have to block time, dedicate a specific time of the week or day of the week in order to spend time with the family. A lot of parents are so busy that they do not have time to spend with their children, busy chasing money. And so, I mean, we are chasing money for the children. So if you do not have time for these children, that's when these children become wayward sometimes. And so you need to be present in their lives, regardless of the fact that we are busy. We need to, as parents, be present in their lives, especially in their early or formative years. By the time you realize these children are all grown up and they have left you going to live their own life. So it is important that we spend quality time, no matter how small amount it is. Spend quality time with them and also spend time with your spouse. Some parents also take care of their children and neglect their spouses. And so by the time you realize they have not bonded enough, they've always used their time to take care of their children and then neglect their spouse. And so when their children are grown enough to leave the house and you know have their own lives, live for themselves, you realize that it's like you are living with a spouse, but then you are lonely because you did not create that bond or have that rapport with your spouse because you're using all the time to take care of the children. So it is very important that we take notice of that. Another investment we can also make it in friendships or relationships. I mean, especially the very old friends. If you are able to find very good people at the beginning of or start off your life, it's very important that you maintain them because it comes with a lot of benefits. And so make time for people who have also made time for you, people who have been there for you. Try to sometimes hang out with them, even if you are all busy or tight. And so invest in very good quality relationships or friendships, and then you realize that it will take you a long time, and it's also a way of networking. I mean, if you are my very good friend and an opportunity comes, we can all link each other. So it helps in networking as well. So do well to invest in very good, very quality friendships as well. That will last you a lifetime. And also another good investment we can make in purchasing our own homes or building our homes. As long as we're alive, we're always going to need accommodation, a roof over our heads, and so we do not want to always rent out, always be renting and be renting. We need to acquire our own space, our own place of abode, and so there is a need to have your own home or purchase a home, build or purchase, whichever one is convenient for you. At the end of the day, you have a roof over your head and you do not need to always pay for rent. At least that money would be saved for other things. Other best investments that we can make is active investing. Actively learn about investments, stocks, bonds, shares, REITs, ETFs, commercial papers, certificates of deposits, I mean, mutual funds, treasury bills, all those things. Learn about them and actively be involved to gain passive income in the long run. Lastly, you can also set up a business. It's also a very, very good investment to have, especially the one that does not directly involve you being present. You set up a business, you hire the experts to take care of everything. You just have just a small involvement. Realize that it's a very, very good way of having money for the long term. And so consider starting up a business, especially when you are young, to gain you money in the long term, a generational wealth in the long term. Lastly, learn about the best investment is to learn about money, financial education, financial literacy. Do well to learn about it. It's very important. You use money, and so you need to know about how to manage your money, the do's and don'ts of money, what to do and what not to do in order to get more money, how to multiply or add to your money. And so if you love this content so far, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the subscribe button down below, share with your family and friends. It helps the algorithm to push the videos so that other people, other viewers all over the world can also view it, watch it, and gain value or insight. If you found it very useful, kindly share, give me a thumbs up to push this video and subscribe. And do well to watch my previous videos. Do well to watch my previous videos and check out my next video. See you guys in the next one. God bless you all. It's bye for now.